This is the Ring Small Solar Panel 2nd Gen. It gives you effortless power for your Ring security cameras with an ultra-compact design and built with upgraded solar technology for maximum performance. Measuring just 6.9 inch by 4.4 inch by 0.5 inch or 17.5 centimeters by 11.1 centimeters by 1.2 centimeters, this tiny solar panel delivers 1.9 watts of clean energy to keep your Ring devices charged all year round. The Ring Solar Panel 2nd Gen is designed to work with Ring's newest cameras including Outdoor Cam Plus, Outdoor Cam, also known as Stick-Up Cam Pro, Spotlight Cam Plus, and Spotlight Cam Pro. It features a built-in USB-C connector and comes with a USB-C 2-barrel plug adapter for backwards compatibility with Stick-Up Cam 2nd and 3rd Gen and Spotlight Cam battery. You can easily mount the solar panel to any surface using the included adjustable mounting base and ensure it's getting enough sunlight with 360-degree rotation, 180-degree tilt, and up to 6.5 feet or 2 meters of cable length with integrated cable management. For best results, place in 3 to 4 hours of direct sunlight daily. Ring's solar panels are designed to work with Ring Protect, our subscription service that saves all your videos and allows you to review them at any time. With Ring Protect, you'll never have to worry about losing your video footage again. In the box, you get the small solar panel with USB-C cable, 2nd Gen, an adjustable mounting base with cable management, a USB-C 2-barrel plug adapter, mounting screws and anchors, cable clips, and a user guide. Upgrade your Ring setup with reliable solar power and never worry about battery swaps again with the Ring Solar Panel 2nd Gen. And now back to our video.